Assalamualaikum students. By the way, I am Aquisah Maitum from Abidin Memorial National High School, Division of Lanao del Sur 1. This video is for Science 7, Quarter 2, Week 3, with the topic, Levels of Biological Organization. Its objective, at the end of this video lesson, the learner should be able to identify the parts that make up an organism. Learners, have you ever asked sometimes yourself what makes you up and the other organisms around you? So, please watch our video and listen carefully with our discussions for you to answer your questions, okay? Let's start with cell. There is a picture below, shows the animal cell at the left side and plant cell at the right side. Cell is the basic unit of structure and function of all living things capable of performing basic life processes. Before the organisms made, it starts with cell. The first thing exists in living things, both plants and animals, is cell. Without cells, life will not be possible. During cell division, one cell divides into two cells, and these two cells become four cells, until become many cells formed. These cells arranged and grouped together to become tissue. Tissue is the level of organization composed of similar cells that are arranged and grouped together to perform specific functions. Means that tissue is made up of similar cells. There is a picture below, shows the muscle tissues. Other examples we have blood, cartilage, bone, and etc. Cartilage is a strong but flexible material found in some parts of the body such as nose, the outer ear, and some joints. Next level is organ. Organ is made of similar tissues arranged and grouped together to perform specific functions. Means that similar tissues arranged and grouped together to become organ, and each organ has specific function. Example, heart is an organ of the circulatory system. Its function is to pump blood. There is a figure 3 below, shows a model of human heart. Veins are tubes where blood flows into our heart. Arteries are tubes also where blood flows out of our heart. Mouth, esophagus, intestine are organs of the digestive system. Kidneys are organs of excretory system. Figure 4 shows a model of human kidney. Actually, we have many organs which I have not mentioned here due to limited time. Organs are not only found in animals but also in plants. They must be taken good care of because if one is damaged and infected, the rest of the body will also be affected. Leaves are organs for respiration. Flowers are organs for reproduction. Again, there are other organs of plants which I have not included here. Figure 5 is an example of a gumamilla flower. Next from organ is an organ system. Is made up of organs that have related functions and are grouped together as a unit. Example, circulatory system is made up of heart, veins, and arteries. They are grouped together to have related functions. Its function is for the transport of nutrients. Digestive system is made up of organs also, the mouth, esophagus, and intestine. Its function is for the breakdown of food. Excretory system for eliminating metabolic wastes. Our body has many organ systems, but I have just discussed here only 3 as an example of organ system. These organ systems work together for a common goal. If one system fails, other systems will also be affected. Plants are also made up of organ systems. Root system absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Shoot system, it transports water and nutrients to the different parts of the plant. The figure 6 below is an orchid showing shoot and root systems. It consists of stems, leaves, and roots. A group of organ systems work together to make an organism. Organism is the highest level of organization in the living world, made up of coordinated organ systems. The circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, skeletal system, and other systems work together to make an organism. Figure 7 below is a human organism. In short, organism is made up of coordinated organ systems. Each organ system is made up of organs. Each organ is made up of similar tissues, and each tissue is made up of similar cells. This is how one organism made. And this one kind of organism is the species. Are the organisms of the same kind? Example, human, chicken, milkfish, mango tree, sunflower, cat, and etc. This refers to an individual kind of species. Many species that live in the same area make up a population. Picture below is human population. A group of people live in the same area. For instance, the people who are living in Lanao del Sur make up a population. Another, many catfishes that are living in Lake Lanao make up a population of catfish. Millions of small shrimps living in Lake Lanao make up a population also. If many populations living in a certain place, then it is community. Community consists of different populations of organisms living in the same area. They are interacting population of various kinds of individuals, such as species, in a common location. Example, Lake Lanao is a community of fishes. It has many populations interacting with one another. For instance, big fish eats small fishes, and they both eat plants. Marawi City is a community with many populations living in this place, like people, cats, dogs. There are also some kind of plants here and other populations. They are interacting with one another. If this community involves non-living things, then it becomes ecosystem. Consists of all the living things in a given area together with the non-living things. Example, Lake Lanao again is an example of ecosystem because it has living and non-living things present in this community of fishes. Same also with rice field. There is living things or many populations living in rice field like rice plants, worms, rats, snakes, insects, and there is also non-living things needed by them for them to survive, like air, sunlight, and water. Next level is biome. Is a group of similar ecosystems with the same type of physical environment. And the last one is biosphere. Consists of many different biomes, means that it is the part of our planet where all life exists, including all of the environments on Earth that support life. Now, please answer our Activity 1, Complete Me. Test your familiarity by simply completing the graphic organizer. And the answers are very good. Congratulations. This ends our video. Thank you for watching.